much noise in Kisii. You know when people are making noise, they don't work. I want to plead you to intervene on our behalf. Talk to this team, because most of them are in your UDA. Some of them are with us in ODM. I have listened to what Japhet Ogamba has said. I have listened to what some of the leaders are saying. Mheshimiwa Simba Arati, talk to your leaders. Guide your people. You are the leader now, whether we like it or not. So pick your ball, run with it, call the players you want, play. If you score, fine. If you lose the game, out of the game, next time will be somebody else. My brother, we may disagree on principle, but I don't disagree with you personally. I respect you. You notice I never talk about you. I pray that God touches your heart so that these people who have been praying for us, I hope you listened to the prayers they made. Can we learn to forgive each other and learn to work with each other? Because we are children of the same mother. Mwanyagetinge. Bakusimba nyago iteramanyinga. Yekolete gesiomba. Simba. Togambere tuanchire. Tuanchire. Buna tuanchire William atogambere. Mono ingigebu chanda lende ya umwishio.